Pisces, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 24 to 30, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano makakapagpabook for a private reading. So let's see Pisces, June 24 to 30, 2024. What's up? Anong ganap? Anong ganap sa inyo? Okay, bottom of the deck, Knight of Swords. So, maaring meron kayong mga mamadaliin, aayusin. Oo. So, syempre pag nagmamadali kasi tayo, may tendency na may makalimutan tayo, may ma-miss out. So, make sure na prepared ka sa mga gusto mong gawin. There's also a communication from someone. Oh, pwedeng merong tao na matagal nang hindi mo nakakausap, wala kang balita, biglang magre-reach out sa'yo. Kaya lang yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magresulta to sa misunderstanding eh. Yung tipong, may sisihan, may sumbatan, ganun. Oo. Lalo na kung ito yung tipong nang ghost sa'yo or bigla na lang nawala sa ere, hindi ka na nakikipag-communicate, so pwedeng ito ay magre-reach out sa'yo. Some of you, meron kayong mga projects sa trabaho na pwedeng kailangan yung mag-travel, pumunta sa ibang lugar, or mayroong offer. Pwedeng new offer sa trabaho, sa career. You have the Six of Pentacles as your overall energy. This is bringing balance into your life, your finances especially. So kung medyo naging alanganin yung pasok ng pera sa'yo ng mga nakaraang linggo, so ngayong linggo, makakabawi ka na. And there's also someone willing to help you or assisting you para makagaan-gaan sa iyong gastusin or sa iyong kalooban. You have the Page of Wands as your challenge. So some of you Pisces might experience some parang yung procrastinate, no? Meron kang plano, hindi mo nagagawa. Ewan ko, may hinihintay ka ata eh, no? Oo. But, syempre, kung hindi ka kikilos, hindi mo makikita yung resulta ng plano mo. Okay? So, nasa sa'yo yan if you are willing to take that step. So, your opportunity is the Seven of Swords. I feel like meron kang opportunity ngayon na maging yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may tinatago kayo, no? Parang meron kayong gustong gawin na ayaw niyo munang ipaalam sa iba for some reasons, no? Maybe because you are protecting yourself. Kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo hindi niyo pa magawa kasi parang tumatiming pa kayo. Pwedeng pang sarili mo yung reason doon kaya ayaw mong ipaalam sa iba, or minsan sa tingin mo mas makakabuti kung hindi mo muna ipapaalam yung plans mo. Actually, okay rin naman yun, lalo na kung sa tingin mo may mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo na hindi totoo sa'yo or merong hindi magandang intentions towards you, na itago mo muna yung mga plano mo or yung mga ginagawa mo. Kasi pwedeng sila mismo i-jinx yung ginagawa mo or parang kontrahin yan, 'di ba? So I think you are protecting yourself as well. So your blessing is the Nine of Wands. Strength, no? Meron kang lakas. Lakas ng pangangatawan, lakas ng loob, na magstay sa situation na kahit na nahihirapan ka, napapagod ka, pero sa tingin mo kasi worth it to na ipagpatuloy, ipaglaban. Can be anything. Can be your relationship, your career, your job, no? So this is going to be worth it for you. So para sa yung money, career, finances, you have the Seven of Wands, and Five of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. I think yung, yung iba sa inyo, parang meron kayong pinagtataguan or iniiwasan na tao kasi alam nyo na itong taong to is walang ibang ginagawa kundi humingi ng pera sa'yo, mangutang sa'yo. No? So para sa'yo, mas pinoprotektahan mo na ngayon yung income mo, yung pera mo. Dahil siguro alam mo rin na itong taong to walang capacity magbayad or meron na siyang hindi magandang reputation about yung past niya pagdating sa utang. No? So iniiwasan mo na yan. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaaring merong mga tao sa workplace na can be gossiping about you, about your situation sa work, lalo na kung meron kang very close connection or relationship with your boss, na baka iniisip nila ikaw ay sipsep, or alam mo yon na parang kinakaibigan mo yung mga boss mo, nilalapit mo yung loob mo para sa sarili mong kapakanan. May mga ganon. Or yung iba naman, maaring kayo ay na-promote sa trabaho, tapos some people might be questioning your promotion. So sa love life, you have the Knight of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Hierophant. Okay, these are energies ng Aries at ng Taurus. I think yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay in a relationship right now, pinag-iisipan nyo na, pinagpaplanuhan nyo na yung pagpapakasal. This is a very serious relationship or commitment. Mas practical kasi itong relationship na to. Hindi ito yung tipong loving lang. Niisip nyo na kung ano na pagkatapos. What's in it for you? What's the future between the two of you? 'Di ba? So very mature and serious, committed relationship that you have. If you are single, hindi ka basta-basta papasok sa isang relationship na sa tingin mo ano lang, laro-laro lang. So for some of you, you're really looking for a serious relationship, a serious connection. So what else? Hard work ahead. O ayan, marami ka raw kailangang ayusin, trabahuhin. Success assured with good plans and hard work. O ayun na. Okay? Kung ikaw daw ay magpaplano ng maayos, magtatrabaho ng maayos, definitely success will come to you. Guaranteed yan. Be careful, do not take risks. Okay, so when it comes to making decisions sa iyong career, trabaho, finances, or even relationships, huwag daw mag-take ng risks sa ngayon. Pag-isipan mo muna bago ka pumasok sa isang commitment or sa isang gawain. Wow! There is also good luck coming in sa inyo, Pisces. Ngayong week na to, so kung mahilig kayong tumayataya dyan sa mga game of luck, subukan nyo na, malay nyo, di ba? You are on the road to success. Wow! On the road to success. So, kumbaga, nandun ka sa proseso na yan. Ito yung mountain, no? Mataas siya. Siyempre, kailangan effortan mo para makarating ka sa tuktok. Pay attention to your health, yes. Number 1 din, na i-consider mo yung kalusugan mo. Siyempre, hindi tayo magiging productive kung hindi maganda ang kondisyon ng ating kalusugan. Because health is wealth. Okay, so you have Pisces, 8th house, Mars. Okay, Mars, I think, ikaw ay Pisces, mas magiging hardworking. You will finally take action with Mars energy. You are feeling inspired right now to make changes in your life with the 8th house because this is transformation. And also, kung meron kang business, investment, I feel like you are going to be more aggressive din, no? Sa pag-handle niyan ng negosyo mo, ng business mo. Very empowered ka ngayon. Space. The quality of your life has more to do with what you remove from your life than what you add to it. give yourself a gift of space. So, meron kang tatanggalin sa buhay mo. This can be anything. Pwedeng literal na de-declutter ka, or pwedeng mga tao sa buhay mo that you feel na no longer serving your highest good. And then, growth. Wow. So, ito na yung growing. Evolution starts when you leave your comfort zone, get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Yes, you are leaving your comfort zone. Yes, for growth. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.